Happy Valentines! It is Valentine's Day today. I'm not doing too much work. I'm doing a little bit of work, but loads of different stuff. So I thought you could spend the day with me. Currently in my avocado oodie. I'm gonna do my fake tan because my boyfriend has booked a surprise meal for us tonight. It's about 45 minutes away. I have no idea where it is, but it's a Michelin star and I've never been to one before, so I'm really looking forward to that. It's currently 10 AM. It's a bit of a later morning for me. So I'm gonna do my fake tan and then I've got a hair appointment at 11, so we're gonna go to that, get this hair refreshed. I want a brighter red on top, but also he's got a new salon and he wants to put charrings in there, which is exciting, so we can discuss that as well and see what we come up with for an arrangement for that. Maybe I can come back and get some stuff sorted for that, who knows. Also, because it's Valentine's, I have got my boyfriend a gift, so shall I show you actually? So it's in an Amazon box because I'm so classy, but I'm going to cover it with a blanket and stuff. Got him a card. I got him some new joggers. It's random, but look, we've been together 7 years. We go for practical these days, but I got him some joggers because he wears the same bloody joggers every day and I'm getting fed up of it. This, it looks so random, but it's basically, he's a gas engineer. So it's basically just a thermal mug. Thermal mug, is that what it's called? But it's got like a temperature gauge on it. So he can see if like the temperatures go down or whatever, if it's still warm. I thought it's kind of cool. His favourite colour is green, so I got a green. I got him Haribo Star Mix because he bloody loves Haribos and he's a pig, so I feel like just get him the whole tub, you know what I mean? I got him a guitar strap because he plays guitar a lot, but he loves to walk around the house and bloody play it, which is not good for my ears, but he's wanted one for a while and he's never picked one up, so I thought I'd get him one. It's just a black one with brown on the outside. His favourite brand is Pretty Green, so I've got him 2 tops in there, 50 quid each, so right rip off. So I've got this one and this one here. I'm using the Bondi Sands foam in dark. As you can see, I am extremely pale. I am going to strip off naked now, so I'm going to turn the camera off because I don't think you want to see that. Do I look golden? I don't think so. Need to give it time to set in. So I've done my fake tan. I just did my eyebrows, so I look a little bit more human. What's the time? Where's my phone? Ah, it's only 1:15, so that literally took me like 10 minutes. I need to find an outfit for tonight, so I'm gonna have a look now in my cupboard to see if I can find an outfit I can wear. I don't have any. I don't go out. This is as good as it gets. I don't leave the house often, so I never have to prepare. But I will say, I did get an order yesterday. Off topic. I got some new tissue paper for spring. I had this last year and everyone loved it. It's this baby blue one with daisies and bumblebees. You literally can't get better than that. And then I got this big bag of tissue paper. 20 quid for that. 20 quid for a bag of paper. Depressing, isn't it? But I love the colours in it. I think it's going to look so cute in orders, especially because I'm working at the moment on our spring collection and it's all pastel, so I think it's going to work quite nice with that. I have just done our first pair of earrings for the spring launch and it's not pastel. So this is the first pair of earrings, so you get an ultimate sneak peek right now. These little cows with the sunflowers, I think they are so cute. I'm going to go find an outfit and then I've got to go because I've got to go get my hair done. This is what my hair's looking like. To be honest, it's actually not too bad. But I'm just going to get the red and black topped up. I think like 10 weeks since I had it done. To be honest, the red that he does really, look at this, really holds on nice. The best that I've had. So, and he never bleached it either. He just put charcoal on it. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to get this topped up. I want a much brighter red today, I think. And then keeping the black as is. I think my next appointment I might change it up. I'm not sure. But my fringe, this is what my fringe is currently looking like. So this needs to be sorted. So I'm gonna ask him to work on maybe chopping some layers in again. I have got some layers, but I want it a bit choppier. And I would love like the Sabrina Carpenter situation. I did have that for a little while, but it's kind of died out, especially this side. This side is giving nothing, so I need to tell him about that. Okay, I'm dressed, ready to go. I've just picked out 3 potential outfits. So when I come back, I'll show you the hair reveal and I'll also show you the 3 outfits. I might even try them on and I might put it on my Instagram story to get a vote actually. Let's go get my hair done. This is the before. I'm back. My hair is all complete. To be honest, I never like it when hairdressers style it. It's never for me. My fringe, I need to style it again. But I basically got my fringe cut in a bit. Again, this side is not playing ball, so I'm gonna sort that out. But the red is much fresher now. Right, so I've set this little bit up here with the blanket inside. So let's just set it up. Smiggle, that's not... Oh, God's sake, this guy. Right, so first we've got these joggers. I'm going to put them there. This pretty green t-shirt here, which I'll pop out the back like that. Other pretty green t-shirt, so I'll add that like there. I might unbox this and put it in like that. Just looks a bit better, doesn't it? And then we've got the Haribos, which I'll just pop there. Guitar strap, which I'll just put there. I'll just put that there, I guess. There we go. It's just a little hamper. It doesn't feel like much really now. Feels a little bit lackluster. Now that's done, I'm gonna make some banana bread. So I think these bananas are pretty good. I should have taken these out of the fridge beforehand because they're really hard to mash now because they're actually quite hard. It completely defeats the point of banana.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Can you believe that? Oh my. Well, I suppose it's a bowl now. Shall I give you the recipe? 3 bananas, 8 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a sec to melt it down. We need half a cup of sugar, half a cup of caster sugar. Forgot this was in the microwave. It's definitely melted, so. And then you need 1 egg and some vanilla extract. I'll just do my own measurement of that. Then you want to add 1.5 cups of plain like all-purpose flour. You should really sieve that before putting it in, but you know, we'll live. Okay, so this is quite a good consistency so far. We just want to add some salt. I never really measure much, you know, just do what you want. And you want some baking powder as well, just like a teaspoon. Then you want to add your chocolate chips. I got chocolate chunks because I like it a bit chunkier than the chips. I won't add the whole thing in because I like to put some on top as well before going in the oven. So I got these ones here. Chocolate chunks. And add like majority of the pack. So you want 160 degrees for like 50 minutes. I use my loaf tin. I'm gonna put baking paper in the loaf tin so that you can just pull it out after. It's really easy then. Oh, it smells unreal. Here it is. Just gonna flatten it down. Don't really save much actually for the top. Oh yeah, there's a bit in there. Ready to go in the oven. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna run to Morrison's quick. It's only around the corner, and grab some little Valentine's bits. I don't know if there's balloons, confetti, something. It doesn't feel very Valentine's-y, so I'm gonna just quickly do that. I wasn't gonna, but I'm gonna. No Valentine stuff in there. I just wanted something to add to it to make it look a bit more Valentine's, like rose petals or, I don't know, bloody balloon or something, but there's nothing. So I got him a Lucasade, because he loves Lucasade. I guess just to fill it up a bit. I was like, what else am I gonna do? I took the trip, I got orange and original. I can't remember which one's his favourite, I always forget. Got my Starbucks, that's his favourite. And then I got some letters and some buttercream because I thought I'll decorate the top of the banana bread and put it out and put I love you or something. So that's the best we've got. I mean, it fills it up a little bit. It's got a bit more colour now, I suppose. While I was out, a delivery come. I think this is some clothes from TikTok shop. Now, I don't know why I never learned my lesson because every time I order clothes from there, I hate them. So here we are. What's this? A t-shirt with a raccoon on it. What? Okay. I mean, it's a t-shirt with a raccoon on it. Right. What? What the hell? Why would I ever think that would look good? What the hell? Why am I spending my money on this? Okay. If this isn't giving artiste, I don't know what is. I mean, you know what? Can someone tell me in the comments, why do companies put this piece of sheet in all clothes? It's very inconvenient. I need to sort myself out. I think I've got a bit of an identity crisis where I don't know what my style is. So I keep ordering things thinking I'm going to be really quirky, and then a raccoon t-shirt and these trousers turn up, and then I've got a reality check where I'm like, no, you're not quirky. While we're getting dressed up, let's try on the 3 outfits and pray to God we're not having the same attitude. Right, ignore the state of the room, okay? I should have said that before. This is option 1. We've got this little silk dress, pink, red polka dots. It's got like a bit of a puffy sleeve. Here is option 2, is this red dress. It is giving Valentines. Again, I don't know what she's about. I don't know. What do you think? What? Okay, and here is option 3. This is probably what I'd usually go for because this like band here really cinches in my waist. But this is quite low, so I'll need to pin this here because it's quite annoying. But this is number 3. This is usually my go-to, but I'm not feeling as good in this one, to be honest. But let me know in the comments, what one would you pick? It would be good to know for the future. Banana bread is now out of the oven. It's looking good. I'm going to decorate it. It is still boiling, so I should wait, but I can't. I wouldn't usually coat it in this, by the way. It's only so I can decorate it. You don't even like banana bread that much. Oh, what am I doing? I just realised I can't put it straight in the oven, the fridge either, because it's too hot. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. Looks like a 6-year-old's done it. But that's fine. Whole thing is proper melting. I don't know why I didn't wait, but oh well.
A few moments later.
Right, we have a slight issue here. My impatience got the better of me. I'm just going to clean that up. Just put all new bedding on the bed so that it's nice and fresh for when he gets home. I always put everything on the dining table, so when he comes in I feel like he's just going to expect that there. Not expect it, because we said we weren't going to do anything, so it's going to be a surprise, but if there was anything, it was going to be here. So I've decided I'm going to go put it on the bed. See, it's all nice and fresh as well anyway. He won't expect it. That's all done. I've put the cake in the fridge. I know you shouldn't do that when it's hot, but it is what it is. It's done now. Right, so I'm just opening up an Amazon package. I got 3 liquid clays, so I got a black and 2 whites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my eyeshadow palette that I usually use, and I'm going to add some white into each of these and fill them up and then close them, and I've got some liquid clay to hand in loads of different colours. I think that's a good idea, to be honest, so let's do that. Right, so I filled these 3 up. I've done pastels in this one, so I've done white liquid clay with some like primary colours, and then these 2 I've basically worked my way through the colours basically, so some shimmers in there as well, but I've done clear liquid clay and then a little bit of white just to help it mix. So I'm just going to mix these all up and see, well, just see what happens basically. So these are the pastels. Then we've got these ones which are, you know, pinks, red, orange, green. And then we've got blues and purples and then like a gold on the end. Sam's just called me to say that he's on his way home. It's now 5 o'clock. So I've just sorted the cake out. It was a mess. There's no writing on it anymore. It was just fully on the floor. So I've scraped it all up, put it on a new plate, tried to clean it up as much as I could and then wrote it again, but some of the letters aren't there anymore, so like I've had to get a 7 and turn it into a V, stuff like that. So that's what I get. Said he's had a really bad day, so I'm gonna do the dishes so he doesn't have to worry about that when he comes home. Yeah, he won't expect anything because obviously there's gonna be nothing in the front room, so he's gonna come home and be like, oh. But he said he's really thirsty, really hungry. I've got him some snacks and drinks and stuff, so hopefully he'll be happy with that. Oh, it's now 7 o'clock. We've had some banana bread, it was lovely. We've done our presents. He got me some 2 big bunches of flowers and some snacks. He got me some orange flavoured munchies because chocolate orange is my favourite. He got me some Milky Bars, I think, and Kinders, and 2 Kinder Surprises because I love them. So that was really nice. And a little card as well. I gave him his presents, he was very happy with them. He liked them a lot. So I'm just gonna get ready now because we've got to leave at about 7:45, so I've got about 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna watch Love Island, do my makeup and stuff. It's absolutely freezing. I did a poll on my story. Let's see what people voted for. It's 50-50 between the red and the pink. 29 votes for both. So I think I'll wear probably the red. I think I'll go for. Now ready, I just need to pick up my earrings, but this is my final outfit. Went for the red.